Hello guys, welcome to another video. OnePlus Nord, or whatever the company ends up calling this new budget smartphone, is now getting ready to launch next month. And as we are getting closer to the launch, some new leaks appeared regarding the cameras. OnePlus Nord first leaked out in December with a dual camera system. This was subsequently upgraded to a triple camera setup, and now new information suggests yet another change may have been made. That's right guys, tipster Max J in his tweet, which is rather cryptic, hints at a versatile quad camera system on the upcoming mid-range smartphone. The exact specifications are yet to be confirmed, but earlier reports have mentioned the presence of a 48 megapixel primary camera that's accompanied by a 16 megapixel ultra-wide-angle shooter and a 2 megapixel macro camera. The fourth camera remains a complete mystery at this stage, but possibilities include some sort of depth sensor, a color filter similar to the one featured on the OnePlus 8 Pro, or perhaps even a telephoto zoom shooter. Coming to the rest of the specifications, the smartphone is expected to feature either a 6.4 or 6.55 inch OLED display with a smooth 90Hz refresh rate. Rumors has it that the smartphone will be powered by a Snapdragon 765 chipset. Again, there is a confusion whether it will be 765 or 765G, but again there is not a lot of difference in performance, so it doesn't matter that much. And also customers can expect 5G network support as standard. The device is likely to come with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage option, and it may have 12GB RAM option as well. The battery capacity is said to be 4300 mAh with support for 30W fast charging. With all the specifications that I have mentioned, I think this phone will pose a threat to other upper mid-range smartphones. Most important of all, in addition to the hardware, the software of OnePlus, that is Oxygen OS, will also play a vital role since majority of people are interested in this. The OnePlus budget phone is further expected to cost Rs 24,990 for the base variant. That is roughly $330. Not only is that cheaper than the delayed $350 Pixel 4a and Apple's current budget iPhone SE, but it's also a lot less than the expected price of the Pixel 5. So guys, that's it for today. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.